So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss our very first problem on the linked list series. So this problem is from Leetcode and the difficulty level is medium. The problem name is rotate list. Okay, so if you want to give it a try, then go and try to solve this problem. If not, then you can see this video for the solution. Okay, so let's get started with the solution or with the problem description. So what the problem says is, given the head of a linked list, rotate the list to the right by k places, right? So you have a linked list here. Let us say the list is 1 2 3 4 5 and you want to rotate it by 2 places to the right. Do note that we have to rotate it to the right. Okay, so on the first rotation you will get 5 1 2 3 4. That means the 5 has came here, rest elements have been shifted to the right. Okay, after the second rotation 4 has come here and rest elements have been shifted to the right, and this is the output which we wanted to get. So basically what we are doing here, if you have a look here, so this is our input link list. So this is 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now if the value of k is 2, so what we are doing is we are rotating it on the first rotation. First rotation, what you will get output as 5. Okay, then you will get 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. On the second rotation, what you will get, again the 4 will come in front and rest elements will be shifted to the right. This is what we are doing basically, right? Now to solve this problem, it is a very simple approach, and what this approach is that first you see the input array here and the output array here. What you will find that if the value of k is 2, then what basically we are doing is that we are detaching the last 2 elements of the list, and we are bringing it at the front, right? And then we get the result. Okay, so if you see here, this 4 5 is coming in front, right? So we just have to detach this link and join it at the starting of the list. Let us say if the k value was 3, then your answer would have been that you will detach the last 3 nodes, right? So on detaching you will get this 3 4 and 5, right? And then you join it to the head of the original linked list. This is how we get the answer, right? Now let us see the code that how we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so basically what we'll do is that first this is 1 2 3 4 and 5. So if your value of k is 2 and here n is 5, then what you are going to do is that you have to break here, right? You have to break here. Okay, now if you have to break here, that means you have to first come here. So what I will do is that I will traverse from starting up to here. So how to get here? I will define a count variable that will start from 0, and I will go to until count becomes equal to n minus k. That means in this case 3. So if the count will become 3, then I will reach at this position, right? So first my pointer will be p here, and then after some time it will come here. Okay, now once you reach there, what you have to do, you have to make some changes to the links. So the first change is that, so once we reach here, we have to make some changes to the link. So first we have to define another head, which will be head 2, and it will be head 2 will be p equals to p dot next. And after that what you will do is that you are going to assign the p dot next as null. Okay, so if you see, then what we get, our new linked list is, so we got 2 linked lists. One is 4 and so here head 1 is being pointing to here, and here head 2 is pointing. Okay, now what we have to do is that we have to join this part at the starting point. Okay, so how to do that? Furthermore, we have to traverse this linked list also. Okay, so we will take this linked list. So here it will be 4 and 5, and this is head 2. We will traverse till end. Let us say we get as p2. Now what we'll do is that we'll do p2 dot next is equals to head of 1, this head, right? Now if you do this, then you will make this link. Okay, so what we get our linked list as 4 5 1 2 3. This is the linked list that we got, and here head 2 is pointing here and head 1 is pointing here. Now what you have to do is that you just return the head 2. Okay, this will be your answer. So this is how you solve this problem. So I hope you have understood it. Now let us go back and look at the code for this. Okay, so if you see here, what we are doing is that first I am taking the first pointer p1. Okay, so p1 will be this pointer. If you see, this is the p1. It will first point to the first element, first node of the linked list, and then I am traversing till first here I am finding the total number of nodes, right? After that, if I get the node, then if I have only one element or no element in the linked list, then we have to just return the original list, right? I hope you will be able to understand this base case by your own, right? Now after that, I am assigning the total number of elements as n. Now I am doing k equals to k percentage 10. So why I am doing this is that so that k comes in the range of 0 to n, right? I mean, if you say here, suppose if the value of k was 6, right? So if you rotate this linked list 6 times, then it will be equivalent doing 6 percentage 5. That means one time. So if you rotate the list by one time or a 6 time, the result will be same. That is why we are taking the modulus here. Okay, so yeah, this is what we are doing. Now after that, if the value of k is 0, then this means that we do not have to make any changes in the linked list, right? So we'll simply return the head, right? Now we are using this pointer here, this pointer to traverse up to this node. Okay, so I am traversing to this node, and after that I am making changes to the links as I have specified here, like head 2 equal to p dot p arrow next, and then p arrow next equal to null. So from here I get two parts. Now head 2. Okay, so now I am taking another pointer p2 starting from here, and I will go up till here, up to 5. So once if I reach up to 5, again I have to make some changes. What are those changes? I have to say that p2 next should be pointing to the head, so this link will be made, right? And after that, head, I am assigning head equal to head 2. That means initially our head was here, and after that this will be our head 2. So I am doing head equal to head 2. That means this head will also start pointing here, right? So finally I am returning the head, right? So I hope you have understood the code. If not, then you can go through the code. It is not too difficult. It is more important to understand the concept. Okay, so this is it for this video. So I hope you have understood the video. If you have understood the video, then please do like and subscribe the channel. So this is it for today. So thank you and have a nice day.